How our color sorter changed the onion business model. Onion is an indispensable ingredient in people's daily diet in South Asia and some other neighboring countries. Bangladesh, Malaysia, UAE, and Sri Lanka are some largest onion importers from India. And India is an important onion growing and exporting country in the world. Today, let me tell you a true story about how a color sorter can change the onion business model.
Balasu Balarao in India has been in the business of growing and selling onions. For the past 2 years, he has been thinking carefully about purchasing a new optical sorter to sort and grade onion before the sale. After purchasing an onion color sorter produced by GroTech, they were sure they had made the right decision. Balasu Balarao chose the KX60 belt color sorter in the KX series. Its assembly and installation at the factory are handled by the local after-sales service department, with remote technical support from GroTech. The belt color sorter was in continuous operation during the onion harvest and finally sorted 3,000 tons of onions. By the end of the first harvest season, the expected benefits was well proven. The KX60 brings complete flexibility to production, which can be precisely managed at any time. The startup and adjustment of the machine were easily mastered by the team, and the remote support also frees them from the worries of equipment maintenance. Jadish Varam, GroTech's regional sales manager in India, said, GroTech has integrated proven state-of-the-art technology into the new belt sorter. This machine meets the requirement of the manufacturer: high volume management of high volumes, robustness, and simple maintenance. In addition to sorting onions, this belt color sorter can also be used to sort seeds. To harvest good onions, you must plant them with good seeds. Onion seeds also need to undergo color sorting, which is a very critical process. GroTech's color sorter monitors incoming onion seeds in real time through an image acquisition and processing system. By comparing with the color data of the stored onion seed samples, it can detect very small color difference and effectively remove the onions by color sorting. With the correct planting method, the harvest can increase the yield, and the capital and cost of farmers will not be wasted